This short demonstration shows how to download and view the welding parameters when using the Entron NetFlash programming software when connected to an Entron IPAC2 V2 medium frequency welding timer via the local Ethernet connection. Double click the NetFlash EXE shortcut icon and wait for the programming tool to open. This may take a few seconds. Now select a network interface and click OK. Now select the network configuration icon on the top toolbar. From the Networks menu, select the Scan Network for Controls icon. Now select the local timer IP address, including its MAC address you are connected to. This should be highlighted in blue. Now select OK. Then set as target IP address. Now select the Edit Control Parameters icon on the top toolbar. Now select the Load from Control icon. Now select Continue. The data should now be loading. Once loaded, we can now see the welding parameters for weld program 0. We can now enter the weld program data required. Thank you for watching this short Entron IPAC2 V2 NetFlash demonstration. Entron Controls has 3 manufacturing and support sites which are based in the UK, USA and Mexico. For more information, visit our website www.entroncontrols.com.